How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another model aircraft unboxing. Today I have a very rare model. This one actually came from somewhere in England, and this is one that I've actually been looking to get for like 4 or 5 years, since the 7th grade. This has just been one that I really like the look of, and one that I just wasn't able to get just because of how rare it was. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to jump straight into the box. It looks like there's probably 5 models in this box just because of how big it is, but there's only one, which is perfectly fine. So, we'll do it from the bottom now, as usual. So yeah, as I said, this one came all the way from England. I think it's August 4th today. Alexa, what's the date? No? Okay. I'll try that again. Alexa, what's the date?
Today is Thursday, August 4th.
Yeah, so today's the 4th. That's probably the first time I actually used her on this channel, so welcome to Alexa. There you go. So, this one came relatively quickly. It was supposed to get here around the 8th, so props to whatever shipping service got it here early. I always appreciate early packages. So here it is inside the bubble wrap. Probably could tell what it is now. I'll probably just put it on the thumbnail anyway, as per usual, so I don't know why I still try to keep it a surprise until the last minute. I don't know how I'm going to get into this either, because Casey Neistat style. Oopsie. Finally. Wow, this thing is like pristine, man, aside from a couple little nicks. Ooh. So this one actually, wow. Alright, yeah, I'm not even gonna, okay, it's a 2001 release. This is my oldest model. I believe before this, my oldest model was November 638 Delta Lima. That was like around 2005 or 2006, maybe 2007. I apologize for not knowing the time, but it was, I think, the same year that Delta got the new livery, so. Yeah, this one I got for a really, really good deal. Ooh, man. Holy crap. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, those cigar-shaped engines are the coolest thing, man. And that livery. Ooh. Yeah, let's get into this thing. It's so little and cute. This thing is like... Okay, I can tell you guys right now, this is gonna be my new favorite model. Yeah, I'm still kind of stuffy, if you guys can tell, so I apologize. Yeah, this has got to be a new favorite, man. Oh my goodness. That is insane. It's so cute and tiny, but it's like just awesome. Gosh. This thing is beautiful. Wow. Yeah. If you guys, it's a little tiny chip in the white paint, but it's not too huge a deal. It's just gonna get on my nerves because I'm kind of a perfectionist. But aside from that, yeah, this thing's perfect. You got the registration November 9-3 Sierra Whiskey. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. So if you guys are able to find one anywhere for a price that you're willing to pay, God, definitely don't skip out, because this will not disappoint. So, kind of look at the rest of the box because I didn't really go too in depth. yeah, this is back when all of this stuff holds true. So, whoops. All right. So, that I think will do it for this unboxing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I really appreciate you coming to check my videos out. It's been very helpful to me. It's very fun to put these together, especially the unboxings. I really enjoy. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.